Imagier.net présente French lesson. So hi everyone and welcome to your French lesson, and in this lesson we'll try to see how to write the sound y at the end of a word. So how do we write the sound y? Okay, for feminine words, so that's the important thing, feminine words and verbs, you will write it like I-L-L-E after the vowel A or after the vowels O-U. Remember, when you combine these two vowels, you get the sound OU. Alright, so after A or after OU, you will write it I-L-L-E to get the sound Y. Okay, so let's see a few examples now. So with the vowel A here, so we've got T-A and then I-L-L-E, so this sound is Y, so we get the word taille, taille. Okay, so same thing here, you get this I-L-L-E, so y sound, and then the full word goes like écaille, écaille. Okay, so we'll see now how it works with the OU sound. Well, basically it's the same. You get this I-L-L-E, so y, grenouille, grenouille. Okay, and then for these verb, I-L-L-E, y, mouille. Okay, il se mouille. All right, so let's repeat them. Taille, écaille, grenouille, il se mouille. All right, so remember that in some cases after I and after E, you will have to pronounce the sound I or the sound, so when you combine this vowel E plus the vowel I, you get the sound E. Alright, so let's see now a few examples. So with this I vowel, then you get the Y, okay, but then you will pronounce this I, so you get famille, okay, famille. Alright, same thing here, gentille. Okay, so remember to pronounce this I, gentille. Okay, and in that case here, remember E plus I, you get the sound E. Really, don't be afraid to open, you know, to make the sound fly. Surveille, surveille. So really it's open, this E sound, okay? Same thing here. Bouteille, bouteille, okay? So, famille, gentille, surveille, bouteille. All right, that's it for this lesson. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.